Are you Ms. Clark?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your case?
Yes, ma'am.
You're with your client?
Yes,
You need to be on that side.
Okay, let's keep it simple. We're starting with the basics, but don't stop paying attention. What's happening here is like a game of chess in court. Miss Clark is about to make a deal that could either set her free or land her back in jail if she messes up. And believe me, the judge is taking this very seriously.
Ms. Clark, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? Next, I'm showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, are you proceeding on the indictment counsel, are you waiving the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Clark, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of theft under $2,500 enhanced?
Yes.
As a state jail felony, the range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Deferred adjudication might sound harmless, but it's actually a legal trap if you're not careful. If Miss Clark makes even one mistake while on probation, the court can take back the deal and hit her with a full conviction. It's like walking a tightrope over fire, one wrong step, and she's in serious trouble.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea bargain agreement. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea bargain agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand? Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement that you were giving up those rights? Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case? Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine? Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it? State is asking you that your community supervision be for a term of 180 days. There'd be 120 hours of community service restitution in CATs 1 and 2. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
I understand.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State offer stated Exhibit 1 in all attachments. No objection, Your Honor.
Ms. Clark, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there would be no live testimony? Did you understand?
And just like that, the mood changes. Miss Clark says she's turned her life around. She feels guilty, her kids are doing well, and her new boyfriend doesn't put up with any bad behavior. But here's the catch, the judge isn't convinced by words alone. They want real evidence, not just promises.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding guilty as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
I would ask that you follow the plea bargain agreement.
All right, Ms. Clark, is there a reason why you continue to steal?
I will not, Your Honor. That was a few years ago, and everything's changed since.
I mean, I know you say you will not.
I understand.
But we're here for a third theft.
I know. I realize I'm embarrassing my children, and they've grown up to be really good adults. They're productive citizens, and I'm an embarrassment to them, and it breaks my heart. So.
That moment is a real shock in the courtroom. She lied about using drugs, not only to the court but also to her boyfriend. The judge responds with some tough, honest words. If you can't be truthful with your partner or the judge, how strong and real is your new life?
I make my kids proud. Also, I've met somebody that I care very deeply for, and he has a zero tolerance for this kind of behavior. So,
all right, when you're drug tested today, where are the results going to be? And you are getting a drug test today.
I'm going to tell you honestly, for marijuana, it's going to come back positive. Anything else is going to come back negative.
Is it?
All right, so why, if you've changed your life, why you understand?
Back problems. I had L3 and L4 broken.
All right. You're going to get a drug test today.
Okay.
All right. So why are you being dishonest with the court?
Because I don't want my boyfriend to find out he'll break up.
Well, here's the thing.
He didn't raise the money.
A deferred sentence is basically a second chance, but it comes with strict conditions like drug tests, community service, staying away from minors, and weekly check-ins. One mistake and the deal is cancelled. The judge is basically saying, turn your life around, or the system will do it for you.
Yes.
Yeah. And if you're with a boyfriend who cannot tell that you are on substances, then maybe that is not a good relationship. If you're in a relationship with someone and it's supposed to be a loving and caring relationship and you're being dishonest with them, then it's not a loving and caring relationship. Yeah. This is what the court is going to do. Are you employed at all?
No, I do not have a driver's license at this time. As soon as I get my court over with, I'm going to get my driver's license. I didn't go get it because I had a warrant.
Let me just tell you, that doesn't, not having a license does not.
I can't get employment without an ID, without a state ID.
How old are you?
51.
And you're telling me you're 51 and you have no form of identification.
That is correct.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's a $300 fine that will be probated. 120 hours of community service restitution. How do you spend your days if you don't have employment?
Cleaning, cooking. I have a couple of friends that are sick. I go by and check on them sometimes, bring them soup. Or they're like sick, they go by.
All right, cats 1 and 2, proof of employment within 30 days.
Okay.
There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to want the UA hotline, and she's to be tested weekly. A TAP evaluation, follow the recommendations of TAP. If TAP recommends outpatient treatment, I want her to start with intensive outpatient treatment. I want a referral to felony drug court, field visits.
She's not living with her boyfriend right now. She's staying at a friend's place, where 2 other adults also rent rooms. But the judge is suspicious. If that address isn't legit, probation officers could show up and cause serious trouble.
2 times per month until she's in some program to address these drug issues. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There should be no unsupervised contact with minors. So you're living with the boyfriend?
Yeah, no, I don't live with him.
Who do you live with?
I live with a friend.
Who is this friend?
His name is James. He's a friend of mine. He lets me stay on the couch, and I cook and clean in exchange for.
I'm finding this all to be very suspect.
Well, he has 2 other roommates that rent out the other 2 rooms, so I just do all the.
Let me just tell you where I'm looking at this. I have somebody before me who told me they would only, who started with, I'm changing my life for my children. I don't want to be an embarrassment. I'm not stealing anymore. Then I'm only using marijuana, and I'll be negative for everything else. Then it's, no, I'm going to be positive for meth, and I didn't tell you because I didn't want this new boyfriend to know. Then I'm living with some other guy on his couch, and there are other random people in the house.
And ma'am, it's a mother and son that rent out the other 2 rooms.
And